Good day, everyone. Learn how to set the dark mode in Facebook in PC. So I'm logged into the Facebook in my laptop, and at the top right corner where we have the profile icon, we will click on that. Once we click on that, we have this display and accessibility, the third option. We will click on that, and then we can turn on the dark mode. And you can do the automatic. We will automatically adjust the display on the device system settings. So you can either select on or automatic, and compact mode, make your font size smaller. So you can make the smaller or the bigger. And this is how you can enable the dark mode in PC of Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.